Ashley from Untitled Reviews, and today I'm unboxing my Hygge Joy. This is, are you familiar with Hygge? So Hygge, I think I'm saying that right, is like a, it's a concept that we don't really have in English. It basically means cozy in its own. My cat is at the door crying. Can you believe this? She just wants to come in and like get all up in here. So it means basically like coziness. And this box is a themed assortment of well-being and togetherness, which I think is so cute. All right, so boxes, I wrote it down here, contain products that cultivate coziness and belonging. They nurture familiar relationships and just a lifestyle of happiness and comfort. There's 4 to 6 items in each box. They're all like handmade, artisanal items like that. Each box is $39.95 a month. I do not know what's in here. I have no idea. I'm so excited. Oh. All right, and then like when you pop it at the top right here, look at it. It's got that like cool recycled paper. Here's our card. We're not going to peek. It says my Hygge Joy there. Well-being and togetherness in a box. And so then it lists, looks like it lists each of the items. Here we go. All right. Oh, I can't do it like that. All right. So here we go, right? Let's see. First we have a mug. Ooh, it's square. Oh, it's a square mug and there's tea inside of it. So look, it says, okay, so I swear, I just, my husband, I tell you guys every time I make a video, my husband's gonna kill me. He's like, this is getting out of hand. You have too many mugs. I just gave a mug to my best friend yesterday. It's like every time I get rid of one, I get a new one. It's funny. Like, I'm like, oh, it's just like I'm replacing them. And this one says choose joy. And it's square. Isn't it cool? The shape. I love it. I love, love, love it. All right. So it has Hardy & Sons Egyptian chamomile. I love Hardy & Sons tea. It's so delicious. I never saw it in like a bag though. I've seen it in those little, those, what are they called? The triangle sachets, I guess it's called. So there's that. I wonder what the I'm going to try to, welcome to joy. Congratulations. So identifying, I'm trying to find the theme before I get in here. It is in constant presence of now that joy lives. Our hope is that these hand-chosen products will bring you well-being and connect you to an inner place of serenity. This sense of calm you will find is the Hygge in your life. Hygge enriches you. The key components of Hygge in choosing these fine products. We have considered the components of Hygge in choosing these fine products. So I guess it's like, this is like the culmination of Hygge in a box, okay? All right, so here we have a card. It says, when you feel a peaceful joy, that's when you are in your truth. And that's a Rumi quote. This is handcrafted item, not intended, okay. Keepingitpositive.com. So it's a little greeting card and it has a little charm up here, which is super cute. Ooh. All right, then we have, ooh, I love this. Oh my gosh, this cat is like determined. She's just determined. Anyway, the next item here is, she's like, oh, hey, what's up, guys? Are you a star? You want to be a star? Oh, yes, glamour cat. Okay, so our next item is a handmade 100% cotton flannel terry cloth towel. So this is great for probably washing your face and all your delicate skin. And it's super soft. So this side is super, super soft. And then this side is a little more rough. Excuse me. So there's that. I love these. I love having these on hand. By the way, did you notice the makeup on my shirt? I was playing with makeup earlier. I know, I don't have any on. Like, what was I doing? And it just like splashed all over my shirt. Lovely. I know. All right, so then there's a book. Is this the last? No, there's more. All right, so this is The Joy of Hygge, How to Bring Everyday Pleasure and Danish Coziness into Your Life. This is a Danish concept. Did I say that? So it says The Joy of Hygge, creating the Hygge mood at home. What you'll, oh, so there's like, you can make things. Items to craft for instant Hygge. Oh my goodness. Fresh flowers. Hygge inspiration. Look at the puppies. Oh, I can't wait to read this. It's a great like coffee table. Just sit it around places. Okay. All right, so there's 2 more items, I think. Handmade. Especially for you. Oh, I can't read those little letters. I think I need new glasses. Oh, it's a bath bomb. Oh, it's a little... Oh, it smells like... citrus or something. We'll look at the card at the end. It's covered in little squigglers. Ooh, it's got rose, like little flower petals and stuff. I can't tell. It's some sort of a citrus, but I'm not sure what kind. Curiouser and curiouser. All right. Next we have, I think this is the last item. Yes, this is the last item. And it is, so this is from Howard Soap Company. I've never heard of them. It's a 2-ounce candle in the Joy scent. And I love these little gold scents. They're like my favorite. Oh, it smells like Christmas. Like pine. It has a pine. And I think that's supposed to remind you of like a fireplace and like snuggling. And like that's what I imagine like Hygge is. Like you've got your slippers on. You've got your robe on. You've got a book. You've got tea. You've got some delicious comfort snack. Your best friend or your boyfriend or your husband and your cat, which is to be more quieter. I know, double negative. Anyway, so there is that. Let's look at the card. What do you think of this box? Do you think it's super fun? I just think it's like lots of cute, sweet items. So the Joy of Hygge is how to bring everyday pleasure and Danish coziness into your life. We know about that. We saw that. Choose Joy mug. No one makes you joyous. You choose joyfulness. Joy candles. Sit back and absorb the flickering light and spicy fragrance of joy. This travel size pack's perfect for trips. Joy is a cozy and uplifting blend of cinnamon, pine, bayberry, and thyme. You cannot do that, kitty cat. No. For an herbal twist, enjoy the warm scents of Hygge. Hand-poured soy candle, phthalate-free, Minnesota made by Howard Soap Company. Then there's the Joy Bath Balm. So this is relax and take some time for yourself with this handmade bath balm. Joy is jasmine and ylang-ylang with a hint of citrus to revitalize and turn your bath into an exotic getaway. Handmade by Head to Heel Creations with 100% pure essential oils. Look at that. She's not actually like biting or scratching. She just like pretends to bite and scratch. And then she just licks and loves me and snuggles. The flannel terry washcloth. Allow the joy of touch to comfort, soothe, and relax your tired skin. In turn, bringing a hug to your soul. Aw, handmade in San Jose, California. And then the Joy greeting card. One of the most wonderful beauties of joy is that it cannot be kept to ourselves. There are many ways to share joy with others throughout the day. Send this thoughtful greeting card to someone as a way to touch them with the wonder of joy. Handmade by keeping it positive. So that's everything that I received. Let me know your thoughts down below. I'm curious to hear what you guys think. If you're interested in my full review, I'm going to link to that. I'll also link to my Hygge Joy so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!